Today, we're gonna tour a home where your friends will immediately question their life choices. When you walk in, tall ceiling, statement lighting, and clean modern feel that makes you feel good. Then it opens up into one big hangout space, kitchen, living, dining, where everything evolves around that oversized island. Drinks, dinner, whatever the night turns into. Huge kitchen, oversized island where you can sip your drink while gossiping with your friends. And this is the kitchen that makes everybody think that you're a good cook while you're a DoorDash pro and just serve the DoorDash food into nice plates. If your bedroom view doesn't look like this, we should probably fix that. If you want something that feels easy to live in and even easier to host in, this place makes a lot of sense.